Hello everybody, welcome to the first episode of CC Outfitters. It stands for Crohn's and Colitis Outfitters. This episode is going to have multiple parts. The first part is going to be product reviews, and the product that I'm going to be reviewing is the Ultimate Technologies Blast Match. It is meant to be a one-handed item that you can use with one hand, and I've gotten a chance to play with this a little bit last night. I bought it yesterday, and today is first time I get to use it and test it out for you on camera. As you can see here where I'm pointing out, I had a little cotton ball, and I got it lit on one strike, and it's a very precision fire starting system. And I'm going to now demonstrate how easy it is to use. I'm going to use a piece of tinder here because wind is blowing. Hold the cotton ball down, and I am holding my camera with the other hand, so bear with me. Okay, the directions indicate to strike it a couple times to get the bare flint exposed against the striker, and to use the item, you firmly press on the hood release here, point it down towards where you want to ignite, and with one firm push it should ignite. So we'll give this a try here. And as you can see, got it on one try, and this does work. As you can see, I'm using a cinder block here. You can use it against the ground. It's a very useful item. It stores conveniently in the case here. I know I closed it off camera, but basically you just lift the little piece up there, and it is a one-handed item. I got this from Cabela's Outfitters, my local Cabela's Outfitters, and it was $24.99, and it came with one wet fire starting tinder. You can buy these separate, and I think you get about a dozen for $10. But as any outdoorsman would tell you, cotton balls, petroleum jelly, or dryer lint, steel wool is just as effective, which I'll get into that later. I also laid out a couple other items that we like to put in our packs. We always like to have just a regular Bic lighter for emergencies, just in case. And I also have a Boy Scout flint and steel. And this is a two-handed, requires two hands to use. Once I get my bipod or tripod for my camera, I'll in a later episode on my fire starting systems, I'll show you how these are just as effective. And this is very cheap. This is like $1.50 at your Boy Scout store. Again, this is the Blast Match from Ultimate Technologies, available at your local Cabela's Outfitters, and it was about $25, and I say it's worth it. It's worth to have in your pack, especially for us people out there that have Crohn's or colitis, and a lot of times we're holding our stomachs and we only have one hand to do things, and if we're stuck out in the woods, this is a very effective item.